Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Previous videos we have already talked about how to create the REST API of the login with just a forgot password. Now we are come up with the reset password. We have already sent the reset password token over here. Now we have to use this one to reset our password. So let's copy and go to the post main. Okay, so here we go with this one. Password reset and the password token, right? So here we have the auth routes, password reset, reset token. I think that this is in the API auth, so it is there or not. I need to check. Where is this one? I think it's not there because it's a front end part where we have the UI. So here we have API auth, password reset token, right? Now check the the reset password, right? Come back, and we have a reset password. What it accepts? Reset password token. Okay. Find one reset password expired from greater than this one date now. Then we have invalid reset token, password we required, so we have to give him the password and it will save that password reset. So let's check this one. So we have to add the password, whether it is to be a post request, put request, right? So let me make it put request over here. So here we go with this one, put request, and we have to add the raw. You can make it JSON, and here I need to give the password. So here we have the password. I'm going to check. This is test at the rate 123, right? So let's try to send this one. Password reset success. Let's try to log in with this password. So we have the login. I guess I think we should go with this one 5000 and make it API auth login. API auth login. Okay, and we have to add the body, that is email, email and the password. So email, let me use this one, and the password you have to add here over here, right? And the password is this one, and the Rajni 90 is my email. Okay, so let's check, is it working or not. Login, and you can see that if I put the wrong password at the rate this, what happened? Invalid credentials. That means our password is set correctly. So this is how we are able to reset password with the help of this one. Okay, where's the control? Okay, so this is how. So first you are just reset password token, right? You are find one with the reset password token that you are sending. Okay, and after that it will set the reset password expire token also. So here we go with this one. So here you can see that username, email, and the password. So here we are just setting the reset password token. After expiration we are not going to accept it, right? And here you can see that password reset success. Okay, very easy. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.